Why do medical doctors discourage chiropractic care? A lot of my patients ask me that. Well, I'm going to tell you there are multiple reasons and factors involved. You probably already understand some of them, like bias and like ignorance or lack of knowledge about what chiropractors really do, which, by the way, I didn't go to medical school either, so I don't know exactly how to do a surgery or what drug to prescribe or otherwise. And so medical doctors have never been to chiropractic college, and they don't understand necessarily what a chiropractor does. And then there's a whole competition and other types of things that get involved. But I'm going to tell you the biggest reason why medical doctors do not, why they discourage and do not recommend chiropractic care is because of a philosophy difference. And here's the difference, okay? Medical doctors are trained in pathology. Pathology is the study of disease. So that means that their job is to diagnose and then treat disease, okay? Chiropractors are trained differently. Chiropractors are trained, although we have pathology classes and medical doctors have physiology classes, the chiropractor's education is more in physiology, which means how the body works. So then the chiropractor's job is to begin to determine where the body is not working properly and how can we restore it to its proper function. And so if you step that back now, you're going to see the difference is that a medical doctor's training means that health comes from outside in. You take something, put it into the body, and try to make the body healthier, or at least take away a symptom is really the reason, because no drug has ever been created to make the body healthier. It is to change the symptom. And so a chiropractor is different. We believe that the body heals from the inside out, believing that God gave your body an ability to heal itself. And I think no one can really argue that, because you've all had cuts, you've had bruises, you've had even broken bones. If I had a broken arm and I put a cast on my arm, does the cast heal my bone? Of course not, right? Did the doctor that put the cast on heal my bone? No. Now, both of those were necessary, but the body healed itself. And so that's the philosophy that we're dealing with here. So for a medical doctor to actually recommend a chiropractor would go against his philosophy and against his training of how health actually occurs. And so it rarely will happen. If you have a doc that is open-minded and understands a little bit more about what a chiropractor does and refers, you should be thankful, because you're in the minority. But the reasons are much deeper than you may have thought, and it starts with the difference in how we think, and then how we're trained, and how we deal with restoring health to the body. Hope that helps you understand. I hope you fall out on this side, because I believe this is the right side, that your body has an ability to heal itself, and you should be asking yourself questions like, why? Why am I not healthy? Why am I having these symptoms? And then what? What can I do to change it? Or who can help me to restore proper physiology and proper function to the body? If you take that approach, I'll just about guarantee you that you and your family will be healthier than it will if you take this approach and start looking outside the body for the answers. So until next time, live life well, and God bless.